Hello everyone, my name is Andrew and today we're gonna change the engine for Honda Pacific Coast because we got some problems. The problem are gear shifter, so something wrong in the gearbox. So we have to take all those panels. It's quite easy to take because it's Honda. Yeah, and we're gonna put a new engine. The main problem is, as you see, gear changer. So, before we take the engine out, we have to remove the radiator. So, we're gonna unscrew those two screws from one side, from another side, and then gonna be easier to take it down the engine. So before we remove the engine, there's one more bolt here. One more bolt here. Another bolt. Another bolt is here. Here. One more here, and another here. So it's four fixing points of this engine. Now we're gonna remove hydraulic clutch. I am putting masking tape to secure the bolts. It's easier to remember. Now I'm going to remove those bolts here and there, and to remove this subframe. It's going to be much easier to take the engine down. So, all the engine already in the floor. Yes! It took one day to take off from the motorbike on the floor. Have to remove exhaust pipe, have to leak down the cooling, and have to disconnect subframe, and have to take many bolts, no electric cables, lots of things. So now we're gonna put new engine and we're gonna run fast. Yes! Haha! And the main problem was why I have to remove the engine. It was gearbox. If you can see here, gearbox changer. You see, no gears at all, 0 gears. You cannot change, not even 1 gear. So something wrong with gearbox and something wrong with the engine because it's, as you see, so greasy, so dirty. So, but we're gonna have new engine and gonna ride fast. Now, get on. Yes, yes. Let's check the spark plug. First we're gonna check in our old engine. We're gonna see what spark plug is here. Oh, as you see, the spark plug is quite good one. It's not dirty. It's clean. Yeah, it's a nice one. So as you see, the engine already is in. Well done. Engine is in. Very nice. So we got the engine in. We're gonna try to start now. So it was 2 days. 1 day to take it off, another day to put it new in. So the final stage now, to check and test and ride. Ha! Ignition on, choke on, start. So good, yeah! Yeah!